It's officially fall, and we've decided to go ahead and harvest our sweet potatoes. We grew them this year in 2 of these grow bags, just not growing quite as many anymore. So we did that. So we've already emptied one, and the chipmunks or something ate some of them, but here's the ones that we got out of this grow bag. Just 4, but they're pretty huge, as you can see. I don't know how much these things weigh, but they are big. Now we're going to go back and do the other grow bag. Here's the second grow bag. Still got the dirt and the potatoes in it, and you may be able to see I've already chopped off the vines from it, and we're going to drag it out onto that tarp right there and dump it out and see what we have. Okay, we got the second one out on the tarp here. The advantage of growing them in the grow bag, one of them is that you don't have to dig them up, you just dump them out. The disadvantage is you have to water them a lot because they dry out pretty quickly. Okay, ready to dump it out. Let's see what we might have here. Anything. These may be smaller than the other ones because it wasn't in probably as good an area, but like certainly smaller ones, but maybe more of them. These roots down there. Okay, so looks like that's it. A lot of them, but not nearly as big as the others, but you know,
still eatable.
They're so edible. Yep, for sure. And some of them look pretty weird, but again, we can eat them. So here's the total haul of potatoes, and I weighed them, and it's right at 11 pounds out of those 2 grow bags of sweet potatoes. Thanks for watching, and I've got another couple of videos on harvesting sweet potatoes and how to take care of them and cure them and store them for the winter. And some of those are in the ground, and some of the videos are of sweet potatoes we harvested from bags. So if you're interested in seeing more, check those out. And thanks for watching. If you will, like, and please subscribe also. Thank you. Bye.